Hey guys, it's Jamie, new to Etsy. The Scooby-Doo game that I came out with last year is now available on digital print in its own little envelope with a savings tracker on the back. As you all know, I've been doing a lot of Lisa Grateful Me's envelope challenges, and I love them to death. But I've came up with an ideal of, on things that I want to save for. They are cute, and I will continue to support Lisa. And I hope she don't think that I copied her with this. But I just wanted to make the envelopes and do the bag full of money with the envelopes that I created. But these are up on Etsy. If you all are interested, you can go on over and look. I've got the Scooby-Doo game. I have got a treat myself. I've got groceries. We have hummingbirds. We have got gnomes, because y'all know I'm a big gnome. And I am working on a couple of other ones that I've been doing. I think it's car payment and mortgage. They are up on the Etsy shop also. But let me see if I got them. Yep, here they are. You have mortgage and car payment. I am going to be working on like electric, water, cable, and stuff like that. That way, I know where that money is going once I get it done. So, like I said, guys, it's just a quick video, and I hope you enjoy going to Etsy and looking to see what I got. Bye, guys.